It will shake on issues like this. Can we money choice? Man, can discuss it because when you speak the truth, the man from if it is against the Olubadan of Ibadan land, àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn wọn lè máa like it. Tó bá lè jẹ́ pé òótọ́ tó ń sọ yẹn is against the Alaafin of Ọ̀yọ́, the Ọ̀yọ́ indigenes may not like it. So I think the safest thing to do would have been to call on the Kabiyesi's in Yoruba land, headed by the Ooni of Ife, to move into matters where the Obas have differences or have issues to settle. Kán lè máa dá sí. It will be more honourable that way than for us as ordinary citizens. But my prof is not an ordinary citizen.
You yourself, you are a blue blood. How come not to buy any red blood?
No, so my prof is not a common citizen. Our next ambassador is not a common citizen. So we would have left that for the Kabiyesi's to settle. But having said that, the little issue tí mo lè chip in, I think the Alaafin has a problem, minor, maybe little problem, that is an issue that it can be helped out of by a crop of good and elderly advisors in Oyo. It doesn't pay any Oba to be at loggerhead with any other Oba. Because in the first place, you are bringing the people of your clan or town or whatever to be in confrontation with the people from the other areas who they die for your town and for your environment. In the first place, you know the Alaafin of Oyo, only last born Odudua, Abi, is the last born of Odudua. And the Olubadan of Ibadan land is a position that was created by an Ife prince, Lagelu. Lagelu, the founder Ibadan land. The founder Ibadan. So by every placement, the Ifes are the founders of Ibadan. And the position of Olubadan of Ibadan is not an Obaship position. It was a position created and named as Baale Olubadan. Baale Ibadan. Yes. So, and mi ò mọ̀ bóyá Lagelu was bearing Baale also.
No, we don't have.
We didn't have Baale then.
We didn't know what it was.
What it was crowned with. Okay.
Because we told that in fact it was Ademiluyi, and that later he was corrupted to Lagelu.
Okay. Now we know him as Lagelu. But ibi tí mò ń lọ ni wípé it was in Ibadan here that Jembewon, the then governor of Oyo State, olóògbé ṣé beaded crown náà pè ń jọ yẹn? Beaded crown ló gbé fún Olubadan of Ibadan land. So Alaafin of Oyo will be seeing himself for that position to administer at the position of the son of Odudua, as a position held by an Oba. And he will be looking at the Olubadan of Ibadan land, of Ibadan, as somebody tó jẹ́ pé baálẹ̀ ni. Tí ò bá ṣe jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ wọ́n tó gbé adé fún, he was not a crowned Oba. Yes, until Jembewon gave him the beaded crown. So tó bá wo gbogbo history yẹn, he sees himself as a superior position to the position of Olubadan of Ibadan. So ẹ rí i pé ńgbà tí ó nawọ́ láti gba Olubadan lọ́wọ́, he doesn't see the Olubadan of Ibadan land as somebody who was an ex-governor of a state. He didn't see him as somebody who was a former senator. He didn't see him as somebody who is a successful businessman. You get what I'm saying? So those parameters or achievements tí Olubadan Ládọjà ní as something that is backing up his status as the Olubadan of Ibadan, òun ò ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀. He's just looking at it from a purely traditional angle. I'm the Alaafin of Ọ̀yọ́, and by position, by placement, mo ju Olubadan of Ibadan land lọ, because èmi ni last born Odùduwà. Ẹni àwọn tó ń jẹ oyè Olubadan, whether before or now, they were just ballers. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? This man, the military governor of Ọ̀yọ́ state, ló fún wọn ní, ló sọ wọn di crowned ọba. So tó bá wo gbogbo pedigree yẹn, a máa wo ara ẹ̀ as a superior person. So he doesn't see himself as somebody who can stand up to greet an Olubadan. Kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀. So he sees himself pé Olubadan ló yẹ kó wá bá òun níbi tóun wà láti wá kí òun. Ṣé ti get it?
Okay.
So if you look at it from that history, is the fact that Governor Seyi Makinde, ó pe, what's his name? The Jagunbaje àbí kí ló ń pe? Ṣòun Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, Olubadan of Ibadan, and Alaafin of Ọ̀yọ́. Àwọn mẹ́ta yẹn ló ní kí wọ́n máa rotate chairmanship àbí of Ibadan. Alaafin will be seeing it as an insult. Ṣé ti get it? If he doesn't have a liberal mind, he will be seeing it as an insult. Báwo lòun tóun jẹ́ Aláàfin, the last born of Odùduwà, the founder of Yoruba race, kóun wá jókòó sí ibi tí Ṣòun of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ or the Olubadan of Ibadan tó ti ń ṣe chairman, wọ́n wá jókòó as a member of the sitting. He sees it as an insult. I prefer pé ó better fóun kóun máa lọ sírú meeting yẹn. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
But that is one school of thought. The other one is, if he sees himself as an Oba in Yoruba land, that will seek the cooperation of all the his fellow Obas to ensure that there is progress in Ọ̀yọ́ and in Yoruba land. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká gbàgbé whatever we were before. If we are thinking of position, ṣé the development in Ibadan and the development in Ọ̀yọ́, are they the same now? So the Olubadan of Ibadan can see himself as èmi ni mo jẹ́ ọba ní ìlú tó develop jù ní Ọ̀yọ́ state. So on that basis, I'm superior to any other ọba nítorí pé agbègbè mi ó ti develop gan. That is one. But if the Olubadan of Ibadan sees himself as pé Olubadan of Ibadan, Ọlọ́run ló bá Ìbàdàn ṣe o, that Ibadan was made the capital of Yoruba land, and they have brought this much development. Tí ó bá ṣe pé Ìbàdàn ni wọ́n fi ṣe capital Yorùbá, I call it capital of Yoruba race, of Yoruba land, politically. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, Cocoa House yóò lè síbí náà. Tó bá yẹ pé Ọ̀yọ́ àbí Fìdítì lọ́ fi ṣe capital Yorùbá, Cocoa House yìí, Awólọ́wọ̀ máa lọ kọ́ sí Fìdítì ni, àbí Ìṣẹ́yìn, àbí Ọ̀yọ́, àbí anywhere else in Ọ̀yọ́ state, in Yoruba land. But because this place was the capital, he built the Cocoa House here, the stadium is here, and so on. The television stations in Kankan tó wà ní Ìbàdàn yìí, political achievement Ìbàdàn ni, nítorí wípé it was the capital of the Yoruba politically. So the capital, Western region, yes, I better call it Western region. So òun ni wọ́n fi ní gbogbo development tó wà ní Ìbàdàn yìí. If that capital had been put in any other town, all these things we are seeing in Ibadan will not be here. So Ibadan may just be struggling like Oyo also. So I think the best thing, ẹ̀yin ọba wa, ẹ̀yin ni bàbá wa o, ẹ sowọ́pọ̀ like ẹ̀gbọ́n ti sọ ń bí báyìí, kẹ́ jẹ́ kí development kó wà ní Yorùbá land. Development la fẹ́ rí, a fẹ́ rí wípé technologically, scientifically and politically and develop. Let us see Yoruba land, because I always tell people, it's not because I'm a Yoruba person, but máa sọ fún àwọn èèyàn pé when you talk of Nigeria, ibi tó ń mention is Southwest. Yes, I watch what is it, football match tó ń gbà yìí. You will see that all the footballers are Southerners. They are either Yorubas or Delta and Igbo people. Where are the Northerners? Tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ athletics pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ represent Nigeria in Olympic cup, these same Southerners lẹ máa rí. So ẹ jẹ́ ká concentrate. Ọlọ́run ti fún wa ní ìmọ̀, òye àti ọgbọ́n. Let us use it to develop our areas. We should not be quarreling because of chieftaincy titles and so on. It does not bring in development if there is no cooperation. Sure. I see myself as a Yoruba man, and anything that will bring progress sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, that's what I will support. So gbogbo àwọn ọba wa pátápátá ẹ jọ̀ọ́, kábíyèsí wa ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, ẹ cooperate láàrin ara yín. A fẹ́ kí ìlú wa Yorùbá land. I see Yoruba as a nation on its own that can rival India, Japan and whatever. So ẹ jẹ́ ká cooperate. Yorubas have the brain, they have the status, they have, whether academically or technologically, ẹ jẹ́ ká develop Yoruba land. Káwọn ọmọ wa má máa sá káàkiri àgbáyé for employment. Ẹ jẹ́ ká develop ilẹ̀ wa so that our future youth can be much more useful.